Good morning, my lovely children. I am Savitanand, your teacher from Sanskriti School. Yes, children, you remember this setup? You remember these almanacs? Yes, yesterday we had such a nice circle time together. Oh, it did give us a feel of being at school. Yes, so today again we are here, but yesterday we had some fun with some circle time and story, but today children I thought, let me see if you remember what and all we have learned before we went for vacations. Yes, we have learned few letters, if you know. Oh, and today I thought I am going to revise them with you once again. The two letters, right? You want to know what are they? They are going to be letter S. And it makes the sound S. And one more letter A. It makes the sound A. Now, how are we going to do that? Yes, children, I have made a book for you. And this is a musical book. You remember last time we played a nice game where there were many things that were kept here on the path, and every time I think some doll was there with us, she was jumping on those objects, and if the object had the sound S or A, you would hear a music, right? So we are going to do something like that today. This is a book and this is a picture book, children, and there are many pictures here. I am going to show you the pictures. You are going to have a look at it for a while, and then you and me are going to say or name the picture together. You got it? For example, I will tell you how are we going to play this game. When I show you the picture, children, you look at it, identify the picture, and then I will give you the count 1, 2, and when I say 3, we are going to say or name the picture together, and you will hear a music, a sound. Yes, which you heard just now. Yes, like that. So are you ready, children? I will just give you an example. The book is open now, and I will show you the picture. And can you see the picture? Have a look at it. And now we are going to name it together. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Snake. So snake had the sound S. So you could hear the music. Right, children? Oh, isn't it fun? Oh, I'm really enjoying it. So now I'm turning the page and going for the second picture, children. Are you ready? You have to be alert. You have your eyes should be on the picture book. Are you ready, children? Here I go. Have a look at it. What is this? Yes. And now 1, 2, 3. See. Come on. Yes. The word see has the sound S. Wow. It's wonderful. It's very nice and happy game, children. Are you ready for the third one? Come on. All eyes and ears here. What is this, children? Come on. This is not colored black and white picture. You can identify it better that way. What is this? Had a look? Now we are going to say it together. 1, 2, 3. Scooter. Go. Yes. Scooter has the sound S. And that's why we could hear the musical sound. Ready for the next one, children? This is something you love a lot. What is this? Have a look. Now we are going to name the picture and we are going to see if you hear the sound. If this picture has the sound S in it. 1, 2, 3. Balloon. I did not hear any sound. Let us say it once again. 1, 2, 3. Balloon. No, balloon doesn't have sound. Ready for the next one? Okay. Have a look, children. Have a look. Now, ready? 1, 2, 3. So. So. Yeah. Okay, the sound was there. Yes, children. Yes. Are you ready for the next picture, children? What is this? Your favorite. 1, 2, 3. Strawberry. Strawberry has sound. And the last one, children. Let's see if you can identify. You have made me very happy. Come on. What is this? It is a smiley face. Yeah, that's lovely. Clap for yourself, children. Yes, that was a wonderful game. And now we are going to play this game one more time. But this time we will play this game for the letter. And the letter is, children, A. Letter A. Yes. Yes, children. So you will now identify the sound in the pictures that I am going to show you. Are you ready, children? The first picture is of an apple. 1, 2, 3. Apple. Very good. Very good, children. The second picture, children, are you ready to have a look? This is a papaya. Can you hear the sound here? Let us say the name it together. 1, 2, 3. Papaya. Oh, looks like papaya doesn't have sound, children. That's why we didn't hear anything. The next one, children, are you ready? Look at the picture. This is the picture of an ant. So let's say it together. 1, 2, 3. Ant. Wow, this is a nice musical game, children. The next picture is of an alligator. Come on, yes. So let's say it together. 1, 2, 3. Alligator. Oh, children, this is a lovely game that I am really enjoying. The next picture is a sign, and what is this? This is an arrow. Yes, children, let's say it together. 1, 2, 3. Arrow. Oh, that was nice. Is that all? One more picture is here, children. Something that gives us lots of energy. What is this? Let's say it together. 1, 2, 3. Sun. Is there no a sound? Let's say it once again and try. Sun. No, this word has no a sound, children. So you did not hear any music. And the last one coming up, children. You all are very fond of this subject, you know. Somebody who goes in the space. Who is this? Have a good look at it. I hope you are able to see and you are able to identify this. Who is this person, children? He is wearing a space suit. Who is he? He is an astronaut. Yes, children. We are going to say it together now. 1, 2, 3. Astronaut. Wow. That was wonderful. Clap for yourself. I really loved playing this musical game with you. That was a nice idea actually, children. You can also do something like this. Make some small tiny books where you stick different pictures. You can look for pictures in the newspaper or in some old magazine, and you can play this game with your mom, dad, or anybody who is at home. Yeah, it was really nice. I loved this game and I loved playing this with you. That was a nice musical way of revising the sounds of different letters. Right, okay. So children, that's all for today. Let's see what we do next time. Okay, till then, have a wonderful day. Goodbye.